In years ahead, whether it's next year or when you're 10, 25, 50, think back to today and rejoice. We talked about the theology of marriage being mostly about the ideal place to raise a family and have children, but the other equally important part of the theology of marriage is that Nicole helps Jeremy, Jeremy helps Nicole to continue to grow, mature, and become the finest woman, the finest man that you can be. And you don't do that alone. You do it together.
Nikki, you have found the love of your life. I couldn't be happier for you. You do have the biggest heart and one of the most unique imaginations, to say the least. And I couldn't have asked for a better sister to share my life journey with. I'm honored to share yours. And I want to take a moment to thank you for everything you've given to me and Ryan. You are one of the reasons Ryan is my son today. Because of you, we have gotten through some of the hardest times in our life. And I want you to know I'll always be here for you.
I, Jeremy, take you, Nicole, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Nicole, take you, Jeremy, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you, in good times and bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
Let's see a little romance as we congratulate you.
One day when I knew exactly that she was the right person for him. He's very OCD, clean about everything. You can't get in his car with muddy shoes. You can't go in the basement of his house with muddy shoes on. It's ridiculous, honestly, to tell you. And she's drinking, probably orange juice or something else, but she knocks it over, right? And I go, and I wait for 10 seconds. I wait, I'm looking, and she goes, and Jeremy very calmly goes, just grab a napkin. So who the hell is this guy? Are you kidding me? And that's it. I mean, it's that simple. When someone can change you and make you that calm over something that if I did, I would have got booted for. That honestly, that was the day I knew. And for as long as I can remember, I've never seen this.